Da, 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 da.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm starting today's vlog on a vibe, okay? On a good vibe. I'm battling cold, guys, just in case my voice is sounding a bit off. I'm battling a very terrible cold. I've been treating a cold since yesterday, but I am getting better. We have to go on. The show has to go on, okay? Anyway, today's vlog is going to be a very fun one because it's going to be all about shopping, okay? Shopping. Who doesn't love to shop? I love to shop. And this vlog is proudly sponsored by Market Square. Market Square is a retail store, a retail supermarket here in Abuja. I believe they are in other parts of the country, but they are fairly new here in Abuja. And today I'm going to be paying a visit to Market Square today, and I'm going to be shopping till I drop. All right. Funny enough, I was actually going to pay a visit to Market Square because I saw it once or twice. I was driving across that area and I was like, I've been seeing this place on Instagram and all, and I really want to go here. So imagine my joy when they decided to sponsor a video. Okay. I'm also excited for today's vlog because Market Square's Black Friday sales is starting tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow, Friday, 26th of November up until Sunday the 28th. So it's going to be fun, massive sales. All right, so I'm going to be heading there in a bit. I'm going with Jesse and we're gonna have a blast. Okay, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna buy some stuff. I'm gonna show you guys what the place looks like, what they have to offer, what their prices are like, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys everything that I got. All right, so without further ado, let's get right into the vlog. Let's go.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
Det var första gången vi möttes. Våra blickar bara möttes. Kommer du ihåg det igen? Kommer du ihåg igen? Du vill ha icy little fingers. Då du vet det chalas. All in, ingen broms, schackmatt på din vänsterhand. Du är så viktig baby. Ja du allians. Du är försiktig baby. Men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Aldrig titta på någon annan. Varför du med annan? Kom var med mig baby. Aldrig lita på någon annan. Finns ingen annan jag vill ha min chakarina.
Hi guys, so I am back from Market Square and I had a very nice shopping experience over there. Okay, they do have a wide range of different things, and one thing that really stood out for me is their prices. They have amazing prices for most of their stuff. I was really surprised at the cost of some of their things, you know. For instance, the almighty Titus sardine was going for around 660 something naira. You would find it elsewhere for like 700, 750, you know. But anyway, I'll be showing you guys what I bought. I didn't buy like a truckload of stuff, but I bought, you know, stuff, okay? Things that I felt like we needed, because I actually did go shopping a few days ago, so I didn't need to buy like a lot of things. So I really just bought what caught my eye, okay? So the first thing I got was this. I saw this bonga fish in their fish section, their dried fish section, and I picked it up because it was really cheap. It was like 500 and something naira. Let me just check. So yeah, this was about 580 naira, and it comes in 3. To be honest, I don't think I've actually really cooked with this. Yeah, so it's more of curiosity for me. I may be using this to make like my next soup. That's why I bought this. So this was 580. Then I got this kilishi, mostly because of longer throats. Okay, I usually would buy kilishi like in bulk if I want to really buy, but I just saw this in the store and I was like, let me just buy something to just snack on. Maybe I'm watching a movie tonight or something. So this one's from a brand called Comfort Kilishi, and I got this one, this little pack here, for 1,250. Kilishi is not like super affordable like that, so I'm not surprised at the price of this. And I got this this HP honey barbecue sauce. I make a lot of stir fry, okay, and I always tend to have like stir fry sauces, barbecue sauces. So when I saw this, what really made me pick this up was the price. It was only 1,250, and it's a big bottle, okay. I was really surprised about the price, and I was like, my next barbecue chicken, I need something sweet like this. So I picked this one up for 1,250. I picked up some toiletries. I picked up this kitchen roll. It comes like two in one pack. I picked this particular one up for 975, so it was less than 1,000 naira for the 2 big kitchen rolls. And I picked this Harpic 10X. I usually like buying the Harpic 10X because it's stronger than the regular Harpic, and it came with like free air freshener on the side. I got this one for 1,210 naira, which is basically what you would find in most stores. In some other stores it's even more expensive, so for 1,210 this was not bad. And my husband picked Shore Men deodorant spray. This one was 1,450. This thing is like 1,007 in other places, 1,005, 1,006, but we got this for 1,450. Then we decided to get their bread. This bread is not sliced. Usually we buy sliced bread in my house, but we just picked the bread because we really wanted to try it out. The bread goes for 600 naira, which is not bad. I mean, considering how much bread is everywhere these days, 600 naira is not bad for a big loaf of bread. Then this macaroni was entering my husband's eye, so he got a plate of macaroni. This one was 640 naira, which is not bad at all. Their food, their cooked food and snack section is really affordable. I was really wowed. Then we also got puff puff. They are puff puffs. If you guys saw in the video, they are really big, like they are this big. Okay, we got like 6. One was 50 naira, so we got like 6 for 300 naira. Then I got fried chicken for 550 naira. I even got scotch egg for 250. The scotch egg was like this big and it was 250. I already ate that in the car. We had like this stuff. I got this yellow yogurt. It's pineapple flavored yogurt. I got the yogurt for 750, and then my husband drank this small one, this Tito yogurt. This one was like 400 and something naira. We got this pack of 12 chicken franks or 12 sausages, whatever you want to call it. We got this for 665 naira. We always need to have this at home because Mia loves this so much. Like I put this in almost all her meals. So yeah, 665 naira. We picked this Dubik malt in Pasay because Mia loves malt so much. Like she's obsessed with malt. So we picked up a can of Dubik malt for her. This one was just about 460 naira. And yeah, those were all the things that we got. Like I said before, we didn't get a lot. Everything was 11,310 naira, no VATs, no 5% service charge and all of that, just straight cost right here. And yeah guys, that's how I've spent my day so far. It was a nice shopping experience at Market Square. So if you're watching this, today's Thursday, if you're watching this tomorrow, from tomorrow till Sunday, Friday the 26th till Sunday the 28th, they're going to be having their Black Friday sales. So if you are yet to go to Market Square and you're in Abuja or any other part of Nigeria where Market Square is, go check them out this weekend. You're going to be getting all of these things that are already affordable at even more discounted prices. So go check them out. All right, so I think that is it for this video. This video was basically just a grocery shopping video showing you guys this amazing place here in Abuja. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe, thumbs up, share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.